Hello, this is Jake, and today I'm doing an unboxing of this Revell 50th moon landing kit. This is the Apollo 11 Saturn V rocket in 1/96th scale. Comes with 183 parts, 114 centimeters, includes all the paints and glue you need as well. And yeah, it's a level 5 kit, if you can just about see that. And I wanted to do an unboxing of this one because I thought it was pretty epic. You can also get the astronaut, Apollo 11 astronaut, lunar module Eagle, the Columbian plus Eagle, and the spacecraft with interior. So I'm going to be unboxing this one. This is $79.99. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy this one from Antics. And that's where I'm filming today, so we've got nice lighting as well. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, it's a good size, so I need a good size space to unbox this on. Scalpel. Go. Let's put that out of the way. We shall open it up and see what we get inside. Wow. Two more things to cut here. There we go. Okay. It doesn't really look like there's much in here, to be honest, but we have our crumpled up manual. Let's just cut that over there. There we go. There's your manual. The Saturn V rocket, Apollo 11. We have some very big parts here, so this is obviously your rocket pieces. Looks like wheels, to be honest, but there you go. Some nice pieces in that. We have nose pieces. There you go. Looking very nice in shiny wrapping. I think it was 183 parts, I said. This is more parts for the rocket and what looks like a bit of a moon surface, maybe to put something on. So there's your paints and glues as included. So you've got a silver, black, red, green, two reds actually, and a paintbrush. Being a large model, you're probably going to be looking at sprays as well. I would prefer to spray this with, Revell or Tamiya sprays. A bit of glass piece down there, that's for something on the rocket. I'm not too sure. I'm guessing something on the tub where the astronaut would sit. We also have a nice big stand to sit the rocket on, which is quite nice. Kind of a launch pad. Put that back in there. And in here we have, just move that to one side. Right, we have some decals. Let me bring them around, show you them in a little bit more detail. There we go. And then we have some larger decals, or plastic actually. This is plastic, so it's like plasticard. So I'm guessing it goes around the rocket. And you've got the USA on that. There you go. There's a couple of them. Some with a flag on. There you go. Then we also have This is quite nice. So kind of checkered. There you go. That's quite nice. So going through this kit, there's not really much in that. I want to show you this a little bit closer because first time filming in here, so I wasn't sure. I might have to bring the table closer next time, but there you go. There's your parts in there. Your larger rocket round pieces. There you go. Some big pieces there. And then the bit of moon. So this will be painted up. You could get that quite detailed along with some of these parts as well. So yeah, very nice. I do like this one. I probably would buy the kit. But it's putting it somewhere. This is a very big model, so you've got to have room. Now, I build a lot of kits as it is, and I'm running out of space now. So, for someone who's got a lot of room, this is a great model to get built up. But other people just buy these models and keep them sealed and collect them, which is also very good. Make sure we get it all in there. So, that is it. Just have a look at the manual. There you go. It's all back to the front because I'm using my camera as a reverse camera at the moment. But there you go. So that is it for this kit. This is the Apollo 11. There we go. Apollo 11 Saturn V rocket. Well worth a purchase. So I can shut the box. There we go. Make sure everything's in there. Yeah. So just before I finish this video off, here's the box art on the side showing you what this one can look like. And yeah, I do like the detail around here. And of course in here. And then there's all your parts and everything. It's a level 5 like I said. So yeah, let's finish off this video. So there we go, that is this Apollo 11 Saturn V rocket. Very nice kit, comes with all the paints as I showed you. Some nice plastic card bits as well. It's going to be a very, very big model once it's done. 114 centimeters, so you're probably looking at the size of the box. So it's a part of the 50th anniversary, and like I showed you, they've done the other models to go with this, so if you're feeling like you want to buy all of them, then I recommend doing that. You can have the entire set. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. This was filmed in Antics today, and I'll put a link to their shop in the description and a link to this model. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye for now.